Hello students, you're welcome once again to another edition of our mathematics class powered by the Novel Learning Support Studio. Today we will be taking our second lesson in geometrical construction, and specifically we want to learn how to construct triangles. I'll urge you to get all the materials that is required for this lesson, which is a plain sheet sheets of paper, a compass, a ruler, a protractor, and you can get your set square ready. Please get an extra pencil as advised. It is not proper for you to use the same pencil that you're using for construction for drawing your lines. So you get two pencils, one for the compass and the other one you use in drawing your lines. So let's go right away to my classroom. On the board we have a question waiting for us, and the question is that we are requested to construct an isosceles triangle PQR such that PQ is 4 cm, PR is 4 cm, QR is 6 cm. Okay? Now, as I said, I hope you have your ruler handy. Now, before you do your construction, most times it's advisable for you to make a rough sketch. Just do a rough sketch and let's see how this will look like. All right? Now, if I do something like this, okay, it is assumed that when you're constructing or considering an isosceles triangle, you know that two sides are equal, all right? So if we make these two sides equal, that means that this side will be 4 cm, this will be 4 cm, and then, of course, the base will be what? 6 cm, okay? Now, don't forget to label it. This is QR, all right? And then this is you have PQ 4 cm, and then PR 4 cm. So you are always encouraged to make a rough sketch before you delve into the construction proper. Now that we have done that, let us begin with the construction. First, use your compass and measure 6 centimeter, okay? But before you do that, let's draw a line. All right, let us just draw a line. Now, having drawn that line, you now take your compass and measure 6 centimeter. Let us measure 6 centimeter. All right. Okay, I have just done that, and I hope you have done that too. If that is done, please bring your pointer to a particular point on the line. Let's create an arc here. Okay. Now remove your pointer, place it at that point where you created the arc, return back and create an arc there. Okay. Now we can label that arc what? Q and what? R, and don't forget that the line is 6 centimeter long. All right, have you done that? Very well then. Now let us now measure 4 centimeter. Okay, let us measure 4 centimeter. That is done. So we place our pointer there. Okay, place your pointer and Alright, that is done. So let us join the line together. Okay, haven't done that. We join the line here again to this. Alright, and this is where P is. So take your ruler and take a measure of this and confirm that it is 4 centimeter. Also do same to this side. If you measure it, confirm that it is what? 4 centimeter. When that is done, you have succeeded in constructing an isosceles triangle PQR, alright, which is reflected here. Quickly, let's take another example. Now here we have another question here, still requested to construct a right angle triangle PQR with hypotenuse PQ equals 10 centimeter and QR 3 centimeter. Alright, now like I said, you are encouraged to make a rough sketch of whatever you want to construct. Now if we were to construct a right angle triangle, it will look exactly like this. Alright, it will look like that with angle 90. Well, of course, you know that the longest side, also the side facing angle 90, is your hypotenuse, all right? So, and your hypotenuse is 10 centimeter, okay? So, the line QR is 3 centimeter, is 3 centimeter, and PQ is, let me put my R here and put my Q here. So the line QR is 3 centimeter and the line QP or PQ is 10 centimeter. Okay, now before we do that, quickly let's just quickly draw a straight line. Okay, now the straight line is drawn. Please grab your compass and measure 3 centimeter. I haven't done something like this. Let's take my compass off. This angle here is angle 90. Okay, we are expected to construct it. This is 3 centimeter and this is R. This is what? Q. Now let us quickly construct angle 90 degrees here. Now if I place my pointer here, alright, and take any radius that is convenient for me. Alright, don't forget how we constructed angle 90. Alright, that is bisected, and we bisect this angle. Okay, now having done that, can I place my pointer here and also take an arc? That is done. Place my pointer here and take an arc. That is done. So if I link this line to this, I would have constructed what? Angle 90 degrees. But now don't forget PQ is what? 10 centimeter. Okay, so quickly I'll grab my ruler and measure 10 centimeter. All right, that is taken after measuring 10 centimeter. Please place your pointer here. All right. And let's go. Okay. Having done that, we grab your ruler. Okay. Now let us link this point, okay, to the curve that has just been done. We do that. All right. Now you realize that when you place your ruler back from this point to this point, you're measuring exactly 10 centimeter, okay? Now when you join that together, and let's join that. All right? You have succeeded in constructing here line 10 centimeter. And don't forget that this is what? P. Oh, this line here